When your Dell docking station monitors aren't displaying properly, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check all physical connections. Loose cables are the most common cause of monitor connection problems. Ensure HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C cables are firmly seated in both the docking station and monitor ports. A loose connection will prevent signal transmission. Step 2. Verify the correct input source is selected on your monitor. Many connection issues are simply due to the wrong input being active. Use the monitor's menu buttons to cycle through available inputs like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, DisplayPort, and USB-C until you see the display from your docking station. Step 3. If using USB-C, confirm your laptop port supports DisplayPort alternate mode. Not all USB-C ports can output video signals. Look for a DisplayPort symbol next to the USB-C port, or check your laptop specifications to confirm video output capability. Step 4. Power cycle the docking station. Disconnect it from power for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This resolves many temporary glitches. Unplug the power cable. Wait 30 seconds for all capacitors to discharge, then reconnect the power. The docking station will reset and reestablish all connections. These 4 systematic steps resolve the majority of Dell docking station monitor connection issues. Check connections, verify input sources, confirm USB-C compatibility, and power cycle when needed. Outdated drivers are the most common cause of docking station monitor issues. Even if your system says drivers are current, Dell recommends downloading the latest drivers directly from their support website. After installing drivers, access your display settings by right-clicking on the desktop. Check that all monitors connected to the docking station are detected and enabled. Use the Detect button if monitors are not automatically recognized. Configure your display arrangement based on your workflow needs. You can extend displays for more workspace, mirror them for presentations, or designate which monitor serves as your primary display. For persistent issues, check the Dell Dock Manager software for firmware updates and advanced configuration options. Additionally, ensure your laptop BIOS is current, as outdated BIOS versions can cause docking station compatibility problems. Following these driver update and configuration steps will resolve most Dell docking station monitor connectivity issues and ensure optimal performance.